Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. So, ari ko. Nabake ako ng breakfast. Bacon, eggs, and bacon, eggs, sandwich. Yun pala tawag. So, gising na yung mga bagets. It is, 8:30. Kasi, guys, today is the day. Never ko siyang na-mention sa vlog. Aray, napapasok ako. Na isinali ko sila sa...
Hey, Mom.
Hey, baby.
The reason why that Sissy wasn't eating is because Sissy didn't have her glasses on, so she couldn't see.
She couldn't see.
So that's why her didn't take any bites.
She can see.
They gave like 20 bucks and I took it out.
So, anyways, itong morning shenanigan. So, dinoin ko sila sa church camp. So, magka-camping sila. But this is, ng church. Sa church na pinupuntahan namin. So, ayun. So, today ang alis nila. Balik nila is July 3rd. O, diba? Ngayon ang alis nila, kailangan nandoon na sila by 10 o'clock a.m. So, kaya kailangan natin magmadali. And then, ready na din yung mga dadalhin nila, yung mga gamit nila and everything. Parang I feel like isi-send ko sila sa college already. Like, seriously. Kasi, naglagay ako ng mga extra stuff. Kasi nga, just in case lang na kailangan nila ng extra. So, yun. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang mga gamit. Pero hindi ko nabubuksan para pakita ko sa inyo basta. Kasi naka-ready na and But anyways, so kakain mo namin ng breakfast and then magre-ready and then kailangan alis kami dito ng by 9:15 kasi ihahatid ko tong dalawa sa lola nila. So kailangan layas kami dito ng kasi hindi natin alam kung ano pa yung mga gagawin nila doon or kailangan kong fill upan or whatever. So kailangan maaga tayo. So ito na siya, guys, like that. Dami kong labahan.
Harry Potter sequel.
Alright, eat! Dude!
Because I want
It's 8:37. We got to get ready. My goodness! My gosh!
What child is this, Mom?
So, ito na, guys, yung kanilang bag. Ayan. This is Kuya Chad. Ayan, ito yung kanilang snack, mga drink. Ayan, nandiyan sila para sa kanilang cabin. Ito yung kanilang sleeping bag. And nasa loob yung kanilang blanket. Okay. And this is Caleb. Ayan. So, ready na. So, actually, we are ready to go na. Sobrang kalat ng bahay. So,
I was too lazy, but to get.
That's not $20. That's $1.
Okay, you go get it now. Yeah,
Go give me $20 of your thing. Hurry. Kasi, meron silang, bibili sila ng snacks sa, may cafeteria kasi doon sa kanilang, cabin, or sa kanilang pupuntahan. Here, put this in, you have a,
pocket. Yeah.
well, I'll just put it in here just in case, I need to give it to you guys over there. Alright, you guys need to start getting your stuff ready. Caleb, start bringing your bags. I know I need you don't need to bring all of them at once. We can come back. I'm gonna start the car. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, well, you don't need to bring all of it, I said. I-start lang natin sa sasakyan. Hindi, yeah, just bring one at a time, I said. I-start lang natin yung sasakyan. Put it in the back. You got it?
Not just yet.
Wow, parang isi-send ko kayo sa ano ah. Ah, what? It hurts? Yeah. Alright, come on, let's go get the rest. Whose phone is this?
That's mine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Because it's, 9:22 na. Kailangan natin to be there by 10 o'clock. So, let's go.
Don't be scared to try new things, okay? But make sure when y'all wash up, y'all wash up good. Like I told you last night, Caleb, y'all wash up good. Pick up after yourself. Do not leave anything.
For ourselves, make sure to just be safe. Try new things.
Try new things.
But make sure to enjoy it.
Right. Also, the snacks y'all have to take with you, don't eat them all today. Okay? Spread it out for a couple of days.
Yeah.
Okay?
Because you have some money
on
in
your
there.
you have money on your camp card. Spend it as you see fit, but don't blow it on
One day.
stupid stuff or junk. Okay. So, but most importantly, you all have fun and enjoy it. Okay. I'll see you all Thursday when I get home from work.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Love you, boys. You all have fun.
We will. We will.
And if you take your phone with you, don't leave it up there. Turn it all the way off tonight, and don't mess with it until Thursday when you're on your way home. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Love y'all.
Love you.
All right. Love you, mommy.
Love you.
Love you.
Call me after you drop them off. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Love you. Bye.
Love you, ba? Ayan. So, tinawagan namin si daddy nila, guys, kasi nga, umalis na kami. Ay, umalis na si daddy. Alo, bakit ang itim ko? Umalis kami. Umalis si daddy papunta ng work. Na hindi niya nakakausap sila. So, ayan. So, are you guys ready? Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Caleb, excited?
Yes.
Yes?
Okay, the Minecraft world doesn't show up. Oh.
So, dadalhin nila, guys, yung kanilang phone, but ito-turn off nila pagkadating nila sa camp. Sa camp joke. Sa camp So, yun. Yeah. So, anyways. So, yeah. So, hatid na natin sila. Yeah. I feel like maghahatid ako ng college. Like, seriously. Dahil sa mga gamit na meron sila. So, alright, let's go. So, ito na. Dito na kami, guys. There you go, Kuya. Good job. Caleb.
Camouflage.
Caleb, Kuya found where to put the phone.
Yes, just set it on the side pocket where you see the holes.
Close that door.
Yes. Yes.
Here.
The back.
Here. Let me see. Let me see. Turn around. Ay, ang gulo nito eh. Okay. You put it right here on the side.
Can you help me?
There.
Can you help me carry it?
Carry what?
Yeah, your candy bag's still in there.
Okay, your candy bag.
Yeah. Don't you mean my snack stash? They're called snack
You excited, Caleb?
They're called snack stash. Snack stash. I need help.
Sending my babies to camp.
Okay, let's go. It's the only area that won't hurt.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. Can you carry it?
No, because I'm carrying this and I'm carrying this at the same time. It's weighing down my body.
Okay, well, you gotta pick it up. Caleb already put his over there. You excited?
Look where they put it.
Yeah, that's why.
in the Scooby-Doo van.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's in the Scooby-Doo van.
And of course, yan, dito tayo guys sa loob ng church naghihintay. Until, ano na, ready na silang umalis. Ay. Love you. So, ayan na guys. Andyan sila sa bus na yan. Aalis na sila. Ayan na sila guys. Alis na sila. So guys, uwi na tayo kasi wala na akong ano na pumunta kahit saan. First time ko guys na isend sila sa ganitong ano and normally nag-i-sleep over lang sila sa bahay ng lola nila, ganyan. But this time it's ano lang naman, 1 hour and a half lang naman yung layo nila, but still, you know, it's a different thing. Ito yung first time nila, so it's hard para ano ba yung pang first time nila, so it's really kinda hard for me na i-send sila sa ganitong bagay, but I'm sure they will enjoy it and have fun and everything. So yeah, uwi na tayo para ano, makasama na natin yung dalawang bulingit. So let's go home. Let's eat lunch, guys.
And Mommy's eating with us.
Troy, hi.
Mom, can I tell them something? We were at Mama's and Mommy came to pick us up.
Yep.
And the bus and the boys are at church camp.
Mm-hmm.
And Mommy we're eating lunch all together.
Yep. Ito yung lunch natin, guys. Sandwich.
And
Itong dalawa is nuggets.
little Pepsi.
Little Pepsi.
And Daddy got them for us. I know.
Dinner time. So Daddy got some pizza. Troy, you like your pizza?
Yes.
So Troy ordered pepperoni and sausage. And then ito yung pizza namin ni Daddy. Yummy. Namimiss ko na yung dalawa kong babies. I miss my babies, guys. Like, umiyak ako kaganina. I cried a little kaganina, but okay lang yan.
You can have one drink, please.
Yeah, you can have one drink.
And then I eat my fish.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink it because it's
You like
so
it?
good.
So good. Ooh. Alright, guys. It's time for bed.
You forgot about me.
I forgot about her. No, no Netflix. Just watch regular TV. No.
Kiss.
Say goodnight, everybody.
Kiss and hug.
Mwah.
Another kiss.
You miss Kuya Chan, Kuya Caleb? Yeah.
Me too.
You too? Well, they'll come back. No, I said no more Netflix. It's bedtime, dude. Alright. Good night. Give me the remote, sir. Thank you. Is there nothing to watch?
Yeah, but there's no Bluey. Bluey. Is there Bluey? Looks like there's no.
There is nothing to watch, huh? Just watch Phineas and Ferb.
Please, a bird.
Lay down.
Hug.
Oh, well, either you're not gonna watch it or we're just gonna turn it off. Which one you want?
Off.
You just wanted to turn it off?
No, I want it on.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on for Sissy. So, alright, good night. Good night, sis. Alright, I'll give you 10 minutes. Ariko. Stay in your bed, please. Ano sinatali? Kalat. Okay. Dami kalat. Wala ka nga. Talaga naman. Alright, good night. Love you guys. So guys, nakakatanggap ako ng mga pictures from sa mga ano doon sa sa camp. So nakakatanggap tayo ng pictures and videos. So pakita ko sa inyo yung ay talaga si ate girl. What do you want?
I want my pink outfit.
It's over there beside Caleb's choice thing. So, ito guys. So, ayan si Kuya Chad. Tapos,
Mommy calls him stud muffin, so I call him stud muffin.
tapos si Kuya Caleb. Kasi yung president namin sa school is nandun din yung anak niya. So, part kasi siya ng sa church. So, kasama siya. So, I'm so thankful na may kakilala yung mga bata doon. And siya yung nag-pictures niyan. And then, may pictures na ayan. Nandun sila sa kanilang bed. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, inano ko lang itong isang bata na yan. So, ayan. So, I'm so happy na So, 11:14 na and I love you too. Ay, sasampalin ko tong babaita na ito eh.
Get up and get this.
Okay. Good night. Do not get up no more. Good night. Good night. Do not get up no more. Hindi sila kasi sanay na wala yung dalawa nilang kuya kaya ganyan sila ngayon. So, ayun. Anyways, oo, kaganina guys. Napaiyak na ako kaganina. So, dahil gumagawa ko ng video sa Reels and dun sa music na napili ko, as in naiiyak na ako. Talagang umiyak na ako dun sa sa nagawa ko. So, yeah. Kasi ito lang yung first time na sinend ko sila sa ganitong na mawawala sila ng 3 days. Kasi iba kasi yung feeling kapag nandoon lang sila sa bahay ng lola nila kasi alam mo talaga na nandiyan lang sila. But this time, they're far. So, and I think naman nag-enjoy naman sila sa kanilang first day. So, tomorrow, they're gonna be doing a lot. So, yeah. So, yun. Yun, ko lang. Ang ating first experience na wala yung dalawang kuya. And, yeah. But anyways, tomorrow guys, aalis tayo. mag-start na tayo mag school shopping kasi July na bukas and August 22 is yung start ng kanilang school. 22 ba? Alam ko 22. Yeah. August 21 pala. So, August 21 ang kanilang first balik sa school. And, so, kailangan na natin mag-start bumili ng mga clothes. Especially kay Natalia. Kasi, wala tayong, lahat ng damit niya is bago. So, kaya, mag-start na tayo mag-shopping kasi, for kids, yung bibilihan natin ng damit, ng bag, ng shoes, lahat bago. So, mag-start na tayo. So, alis tayo bukas para mag-school shopping. Muna kay Troy at saka kay Natalia muna tayo. And then next month naman, kay Kuya Chad at kay Kuya Caleb naman tayo mag-ano. So, pero nag-i-start na ako guys, bili-bili ng paunti-unti lang, like, tag-dalawa, ganon, para hindi tayo mabigla kasi ang mahal din ng mga damit ngayon. So anyways, so yun, alam mo, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na isinad ko yung dalawa kong anak sa church camp, like para ma-experience din nila yung mga ganitong bagay kasi ako hindi ko naman to na-experience so yun lang yung gusto ko, yung ma-experience nila yung mga ganitong bagay kasi buong hindi naman natin sila pwedeng itabi na lang sa atin, diba? So kailangan din silang ma-experience out there kung ano yung mag-isa ka lang, yung ganun. So yun, kailangan nila ma-experience lahat. So, kailangan ngayon palang matuto na sila. So, but anyways guys, I'm gonna say good night na. Yan ko na ang vlog at ako inaantok na. And 11:19 na, I'm sure tulog na yung mga yun dun. So anyways, yun. So thank you guys sa pagsama sa amin today. And yeah, kasama ko kayo sa mga journey na ito, sa mga new experience natin sa buhay ng with 4 kids. So, thank you guys sa panonood. Good night.